I'm leaving. Get away from me. Oh, you are bad. Trying to shut people up. What's up with the biting and running? You puppies don't care about nobody's feelings. You gotta get away. Let's go on my tent. So now you wanna go out. I don't know how many times you've been through this, but this is getting old. Get off of me. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck he said, but I don't need your help pushing it. Get. Who didn't close the gate behind us? Get from the water heater because the heater already off. Now go. Yeah, run. Just run. Just run. I'll never speak to your ass again. Feel like juice and shit.